Hey there, home remedians! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Home Remedy Hacks. Today we have something special for all the hair care lovers out there. We're diving into the world of hair care with some amazing home remedies for hair straightening that you absolutely need to try. These methods are not only natural, but also easy to apply and super effective. So let's get started with our first remedy. It's a classic and a favorite among many. It's the coconut milk and lemon juice treatment. This combination is not only nourishing but also helps in straightening your hair naturally. It's super simple. Just mix 1 cup of coconut milk with the juice of 1 lemon. Make sure to mix it well until it's fully blended. Pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours until a creamy layer forms on top. This creamy layer is what you'll be using for your hair treatment. Apply this mixture to your hair from root to tip and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Make sure to cover every strand for the best results. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and voila! You'll start seeing smoother, straighter hair in no time. This method is great for adding shine and reducing frizz as well. You'll start seeing smoother, straighter hair in no time. Consistency is key, so make sure to repeat this treatment once a week for the best results. Next, we have an oldie but a goodie, the aloe vera and olive oil treatment. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, and when combined with olive oil, it works wonders for your hair. Combine half a cup of aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it well until you get a smooth consistency. Warm it up slightly and massage it into your scalp and hair. The warmth helps the mixture penetrate deeper into your hair follicles. Let it sit for 40 minutes before rinsing with a mild shampoo. This treatment not only straightens your hair, but also nourishes your scalp. Aloe vera's enzymes help to repair and smooth the hair, leaving it straighter and more manageable. It's a fantastic way to keep your hair healthy and shiny. Now, for a quick fix, try the milk spray method. This is perfect for those days when you need a quick solution without any hassle. All you need is a spray bottle and some regular milk. Fill the spray bottle with milk, and you're ready to go. Spray your hair thoroughly with milk and leave it on for 30 minutes. Make sure to cover all your hair evenly. After rinsing, you'll notice your hair feels softer and straighter. This method is great for a quick touch-up before heading out. It's a fantastic trick for those days when you need a quick solution without any hassle. Plus, it's super easy and convenient. For those who love a bit of luxury, give the honey and milk treatment a go. This combination is not only effective, but also leaves your hair smelling amazing. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a cup of milk and apply it to your hair. Make sure to mix it well until the honey is fully dissolved. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes. The shower cap helps to lock in the moisture. Rinse it off with warm water. This treatment not only straightens your hair, but also adds a beautiful shine. Honey is a natural moisturizer, and when combined with milk, it helps in giving your hair a naturally straight look. It's a luxurious treat for your hair. And finally, a tried and tested method, the banana and papaya hair mask. This mask is not only effective, but also packed with nutrients. Mash 1 ripe banana and 1 ripe papaya together until you get a smooth paste. This combination is rich in vitamins and minerals. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture and apply it to your hair. Make sure to cover every strand for the best results. Leave it on until it's completely dry, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask not only straightens your hair, but also leaves it super soft and shiny. It's a great way to pamper your hair with natural ingredients. Remember, consistency is key with these home remedies. So don't expect overnight miracles, but with regular use, you'll see a noticeable difference. Keep track of your progress and enjoy the journey to healthier, straighter hair. If you found these hacks useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. Stay beautiful, stay creative. Until next time, happy DIYing. Take care and keep experimenting with these wonderful home remedies.